Hi, welcome to Zimstake Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. The leader of the main opposition in Zimbabwe, Nelson Chamisa, took to social media to share his story. It goes like this. This is my story. When I've served my purpose and long done and gone, after this earthly sojourn, I desire future generations to always remember and be inspired by our example of unrivaled resilience and unparalleled consistency in the midst of unmerited opposition, unwarranted persecution, and undeserved attacks. We have not lost focus on the ultimate goal to fully transform our society and its culture unto dignity, national pride, inclusion, and prosperity. We have resisted shortcuts and the cutting of corners. We have avoided easy exits or false answers. We have turned down and warded off bribes and sweeteners. We have refused the lure of trinkets and trappings of power and all these enticing power fringe benefits and worldly pleasures. Standing firm unto the end, all for God's glory. That is our story. We thank God for the continuing providence, guidance, and protection in this otherwise wicked, vile, and dangerous world. Always and forever, Nelson Chamisa.